This is a BMW 316 with a fully built engine. Let's find out about everything that's been done to this car. This is the second time this car has been on this channel, and that's a first for us. But there's been a lot that has changed on this car, and on the last video I've had a lot of DMs and a lot of comments from you guys asking to see more of this car. We have the owner of this car, is it okay if I call you the craziest man alive? This car is not a 316. I mean, it is a 316, but he told me that he recently has bored and changed the pistons and everything. I'll let him.
I think right after the last video, a couple of months later, I had some issues where, white smoke. But this wasn't during drive or what, it was a very weird diagnostic. So I did the only thing that can be done, which is to rebore the cylinders. So that's where the upsize happened.
Rebore your own cylinder?
Yeah, my own. The original diameter, for the pistons, 77mm, that's the bore size for the stock. So we had to bore a bit, so it came up to 77.5 right now. The only option for oversized pistons are Wossner Forged Pistons. So had to get that as well. Definitely it increases your power because your compression ratio slightly changes, right? You're talking about 0.5 increase in all the cylinders. So there's some website which actually calculates for you. So a 1.6 technically in mathematically it's about 159 something cc's, 1000 something, right? So with those added, it went up to about 169 something. So it's close to about 1.7.
1.7.
Yeah. With that comes the other problems. Cooling.
I do see something.
Do you see like problems on the the screen here?
Just flying around.
Many problems.
I know. 7 to 8 degrees hotter than normal, which is
that's a lot.
That's a lot for an N13 engine, because N13 is notorious for running at about 120, which is its technical normal. So imagine running my engine at 130 on comfort, so which would push it to about 140 on sports. That's not good at all. There happened the Frankenstein oil cooler.
You would never see this on a 316. So could you pop the hood and show us what's underneath? Oh, okay. So I just had a drivetrain error. Nobody freaks out, okay? Nobody freaks out. And it said that if you don't subscribe to this channel and get me to 1,000 subscribers, it's not gonna go away.
So the error came out of the hood?
No,
something, yeah.
Yeah, this is actually a device that shows me that 94% of the people who watch this channel are not subscribed.
Oh my god, that is horrible.
That's horrible. So if you guys watch the videos, you should definitely hit the subscribe
Please subscribe
button,
so he doesn't get stranded like this.
Drivetrain and get stranded.
Look at him, poor guy. Just get him to 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, get me to 1,000 subscribers. Get this video to how many likes?
259. 69.
269 likes.
Yes.
And
back
to the video. Holy
So these are the additional stuff which was installed, I think, after the video. So I changed the blow off to Turbo Smart. FTP oil catch can system.
I will insert a photo of a stock 316 engine on the screen right now, and then you can have a look here.
Oil catch can, Turbo Smart, and that is the Frankenstein oil cooler system. 316 N13 compared to an N20 engine. Right? N20 has a ton of options available for your oil cooler. You could get as cheap as from 400 ringgit to as expensive as 5,000 or 6,000. You have that range.
Okay, let me ask this first.
Berapa?
The moment that you heard that your cylinder is cracked, how did you feel?
Obviously, first emotions were heartbroken. It's like, what the heck, there goes my wallet. But then the bigger picture is it's a chance to upgrade something.
Yes.
Right. and keeping the car safe. I mean, you can run as wild mapping as you can, but then if your internals can't handle, it's going to give way. And internals is not something that you can visibly look at, you know.
Yeah. So that's about the engine.
Yeah.
I see a lot more carbon parts. I see a big brake kit.
Yeah.
Are those are M Performance
Yes,
brakes, right?
correct. True.
M Performance brakes. I see.
Last round, I think the only carbon was on the rear.
Yes.
And that
I
was
remember you were telling me
Yeah,
about the yes.
So I decided, you know what, let's just go carbon. It
All the
should
way.
suits the look. Yeah,
Yeah.
and just went all the way. The only carbon I couldn't find, which the reason is that they don't have it, is this cover.
Okay.
So this is an M4 conversion kit,
Okay.
which I made a mistake. I should have gotten the M3 conversion kit. That comes with carbon fiber.
Okay.
So I'm in the plan of trying to get that swapped. So that's one.
Okay.
But yeah, so the rims and all were actually a bargain deal from this guy who was selling off his car.
Okay.
So I got it, man. This is a VMR floor rim.
These look amazing.
Yeah, so I got these rims, the brake kits, the digital cluster, and the M3 steering for 11K.
And you're on coilovers.
Yes, correct.
Fully adjustable coilovers. Could we go for a drive?
Sure.
Let me park my car more to the
Okay.
side.
Yeah.
Man, these BMW drivers, right? Look at the dedication. Just walking back. Looking back at, oh, forgot something. Oh, forgot his keys probably. Oh, locked my keys in the car. Coming in slow motion, looking back at his cars. You know, yeah, these car guys, you know, they're always looking back at their cars, coming back towards the camera. Oh, now he's running. Slow motion that. Oh, I can't because I'm filming in 24 frames per second. Looking back again at his car.
Oh yeah, so this is the 6WB fully digital cluster.
Okay.
And the M3 steering as well. So I think the last round this was already wrapped, right? Trusted OBD meter.
Is that a Bluetooth reader or
no,
you?
it plugs into the OBD.
Oh, yes, I saw the cable. And you
Oh yeah. This as well, yeah.
black.
Black lining.
Good choice. Good choice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and see, that's the idling temperature, which is 102 degrees for my coolant. That's the coolant.
So you have not dynoed the car yet, have you?
Not yet.
Are you planning to dyno the car?
Yeah, of course, definitely once the turbo comes in.
Okay. This is way faster than last time. Oh my god. Let me wear my seatbelts, please.
Me too.
So is it showing the actual
Nah.
power? Not even close, right?
Lane departure.
Short shifting the hell out of it.
Lane departure.
I need the air intake, don't I?
Yes, you do.
Popcorns.
Lane departure.
With that kind of driving,
Okay.
it's just 96 degrees. That's the coolant temperature.
I love your lip, bro. Oh. The front lip.
Should I go back now? Is it safe for me to?
Oh, okay. Oh, what? Okay, front. Oh, lips.
This lip,
Okay.
this
Ah,
carbon
lips.
fiber lip,
Oh.
yes, yes.
Okay, carbon fiber lips.
Yeah, carbon fiber. Right.
Okay.
I know a lot of you guys have been asking for this video because either you own a 316 and you want to know what mods you want to do to your 316, or you are planning to buy a 316 and you want to know whether it's a good platform to build on top of. So I hope this video has helped you out. I'm gonna try and list down a lot of the mods that's already been done to this car. I don't think I'll be able to get them all, but I'll try my best to get most of it. So bro, can we do
Lips.
video and make a comparison soon?
Yeah, sure, man. Of course.
328 versus 316.
Down for it.
Nice. Also follow him on Instagram. He posts this crazy car. You should definitely follow him and give him a like. Tell him
Thanks,
I
guys.
sent you. Thanks, man,
Yeah,
for
cool, man. Thanks.
making this video happen.
And nice lips.
Nice lips.
Yeah, I think this has to be you know, something you tell people that he checks out the lips. So future car guys, be careful.
Be careful. AJ likes lips.
Yeah.
Carbon.
Very good carbon lips.
All right. I'll see you
See you.
at the
Yeah,
place
that's it,
that
man.
sells
Follow me.
drinks.
Okay, that's good.